guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a talking intro when I still had my little Burberry turban on, so I'm going to jump to that intro in just a moment. But as always, I wanted you guys to see the end result. Headed to Red Lobster with my husband and my kids. I'm about to get the snow crab leg with the extra order of it so that it can be like 2 pounds, I think it is, with some broccoli. I'm going to get the shrimp scampi on the side. I wish I can get a drink, but I'm on keto, so I'm going to try to just do a diet Coke or Pepsi. I think they got Diet Pepsi at Red Lobster, but I wanted to show you the end result really quickly. Now let's jump into the intro. Love you guys.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
We are going to Red Lobster because that's my husband's favorite. I would rather go to Boiling Crab, Morton's, Javier's, Del Frisco's, Eddie V's. These are the type of places that I want to go. But my husband just wants to go to Red Lobster. If it's not that, he doesn't want to go. I also would like to go to Nobu. He does not. So I need female friends that like to go out to eat. Because I like to go out to eat to nice, nasty places. My husband likes Red Lobster. Today I'm working with YGwigs. And you guys know I love their ombre, their two-tone, their highlighted wigs. I'm infamous for rocking these wigs. These wigs are so beautiful and they literally come ready to go. So this one I've been jolting it around in my vlog, my most recent vlog that you guys should have watched already. But it comes with a nice pretty wave pattern, nice chocolate brown with the brighter highlight, and then it goes into a nice natural brown, what do you call this, like root, but the root does come down long, so it's not literally just a root. It does come set as a center part, and I love how warm the lace is. It's going to look so good on. It's giving Swiss lace vibes, but I'm not quite sure what type of lace this is. I will have it linked, listed, details, all that in the description box, as you already know. So I'm not going to talk because then I won't make it for dinner. Let me go ahead and take this off, put this on, and let's jump right into it. Oh, did I show you the inside? You guys know I'm a Virgo, and like we have to do things exactly the same. Repetition, like things have to be done right or we gotta do it all over. Anyways, let me go. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.
Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left?
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I cop that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows into the flight league. They wanna ride my ties, but they ain't even ride or die, please. But I've been short on time, been in the prime of my prime easy. I said I never changed and leveled up, I guess I lied, yeah. Off that straight up potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah.
I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Let me live with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh.
Okay, love bugs. I did a quick 1-2 with this install. As I mentioned, I'm going out to eat. I had like 10 options of wigs I could put on tonight and try on, but because we have a reservation that is at this point about 30 minutes away and we live 15 minutes from the restaurant, and I still have to change my daughter's diaper, put everybody jacket on and get everybody out of the house, I wanted to go with an option that would make it easy for me to put myself together really quickly and still be out of the door in decent time. And so I knew this wig would come through and not leave me hanging, and it definitely did. We obviously went for no baby hair, and I kind of do the cheat where I went back to the old school technique of pretty much just letting the length of the baby hair just hang. I feel like in the 90s, the 80s, the 2000s, we didn't slick them, we just let them hang. You just press them out and let them hang. So we're going for that vibe tonight. As I'm eating my crab meat, I'll just be able to, you know, tuck my hair behind my ears and let it hang. But family is calling, kids are screaming, so mama has to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures when I come back. But you guys see the ends, I added my mommy's favorite serum to the ends. I kind of got a little heavy-handed because I was distracted talking to you guys, but perfect. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. If you are looking for a wig that you don't have to really style at all, this one has you covered. Again, she came from YGwigs. You guys know I work with these people because when it comes to the color combos, they always get it right. Packaging on point. And then I think they gave me a free gift. Sounds like they adored me, so they Diored me. I'm just playing. They gave me a nice, cute little necklace. It's a J, I think, on one side, and then it has like a rhinestone, like stones on the opposite side. Super cute. I can't get it. I gotta go. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Details, links, and information on this one are in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you as always. Oh, let me show you the back. Cute, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you always. Love you to life. Love you to death. Love you always for supporting this channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.